This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Attractive pool home with lake view in desirable Windemere, has a fantastic floor plan, is clean and move-in ready. This true 4-bedroom has recently been painted inside and out, professionally landscaped, has a metal roof and shows light and bright with the many windows throughout. Spacious main bedroom has a walk-in closet, dual vanities, step-in shower and separate tub. Outside is a covered patio which opens to the pool, private backyard and lake. This community offers low HOA fees, $83 a month, has reclaimed water for irrigation and has a lovely walking trail through the preserve. Trucks and pets are welcomed. Located minutes to boat ramps, parks, desirable schools, shopping and beaches. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.